The race for UPSC EPFO jobs, admit cards imminent, competition fierce. The Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, is gearing up to release the highly anticipated admit cards for the 2025 Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, EOAO, and APFC recruitment exam. With the exam date set for 30th November 2025, candidates are eagerly awaiting their hall tickets, which will be available for download on the official website upsc.gov.in. But with limited vacancies and a flood of applicants, the competition is intense. This recruitment drive aims to fill 230 vacancies, offering coveted positions within the Employees Provident Fund organization. The UPSC EPFO 2025 cycle has attracted thousands of hopefuls, all vying for a chance to secure their dream job. And the pressure is on, as the exam is just around the corner. UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025, your ticket to the exam. The admit card is a crucial document granting candidates entry to the examination hall. It contains essential details, and candidates should verify its accuracy promptly. The UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 will be available for download soon, and a direct link will be provided for easy access. What's on the admit card? Candidate's name and roll number, your unique identifier for the exam. Photograph and signature for identification purposes. Exam date, time, and session. Know when and where to be. Reporting time and exam center address. Don't be late. Instructions for exam conduct. Follow the rules for a smooth process. Required documents. What to bring on exam day. Exam day instructions. Don't miss these. UPSC enforces strict guidelines to ensure a fair and secure testing environment. Candidates, take note of these critical instructions. Arrive early. Plan to reach the venue well before the reporting time. Bring the essentials. Carry a printed admit card and a valid photo ID. Leave prohibited items behind. Mobile phones, electronic devices, notes, and bags are not allowed. Follow instructions. Adhere to seating arrangements and invigilator directions. Be punctual. Gates close at the designated time, and latecomers won't be admitted. Dress appropriately. Modesty is key, and certain accessories may be prohibited. Last week preparation tips. Stay calm and focused. With the exam approaching, candidates should revise strategically. Here's how to make the most of the remaining days. Practice makes perfect. Solve previous year's papers and mock tests to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Brush up on key topics. Revise labor laws and governance topics to strengthen your knowledge. Sharpen your reasoning skills. Focus on speed and accuracy to tackle reasoning questions effectively. Avoid last-minute cramming. New topics are best avoided at this stage. Get organized. Prepare your admit card, route, and required documents in advance to avoid last-minute panic.